Good morning, Mark. Good morning from Texas.
Good morning
You're
from
in
Florida.
Florida, 'di ba?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, thank you for being here, sharing our life, our stories about living benefits. So, uh, you are actually my one of my agents,
Oh,
'di ba? Dun sa ating living benefits, you actually helped me also in my claim when my diagnosis came, yun nga, sa stage 2 breast cancer. Pero can you share a bit of your background first bago tayo magkwentuhan? Kwentuhan lang yan, no? May sala tayo, parang nagkwekwentuhan lang tayo.
sure. Sure. Thank you so much, Genevieve. Thank you so much. Good morning, everyone. Um, it's an honor for this time to be able to share to you guys what we do and what anong mga benefits at saka na nangyayari sa namin sa business namin at saka sa buhay namin at saka pamilya. So Jen, actually I'm a physical therapist by profession, graduated in 1999, and then I came here and started my PT in the year of 2005. And then I own an outpatient clinic and a staffing agency, but I give them all up kasi nag-home health ako. And then I end up doing a part-time as a dito sa financial services in the year of 2010. Then become, I teach financial literacy. And then I end up, having this knowledge about the living benefits, and I start to love it. And I know, because I know that it's going to help a lot of Americans and a lot, and especially not only that, but also sa sarili ko, sa family ko, sa mga anak ko. And that's actually my background now. In 2019, I quit my physical therapy May 1st because I became full time here at financial services, and it's such a reward. It's such a beautiful thing. Na nandito ako sa financial services. I'm able to help a lot more and more Americans um, because of our product and services. Yeah, thank you.